Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about automating your YouTube activities. As a content creator, it's important to find ways to streamline your workflow and save time, and automation can be a great way to achieve that. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify which tasks you'd like to automate. The first step in automating your YouTube activities is to identify which tasks you want to automate. This could be anything from video publishing to optimizing your videos for search or sharing them on social media. Think about the tasks that take up the most time in your workflow and consider which ones could be automated. Step 2. Find an automation tool that's right for you. Once you've identified the tasks you want to automate, it's time to find the right automation tool for the job. There are many different automation tools available, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular options include TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Hootsuite, among others. Step 3. Configure the automation tool. Once you've chosen an automation tool, you'll need to configure it to perform the tasks you've identified. This may involve setting up specific rules or triggers that the tool will use to know when to perform each task. For example, if you want to automate your video publishing process, you might set up a rule that automatically publishes a new video at a certain time each week. Step 4. Test the automation tool. Before fully implementing the automation tool, it's important to test it to make sure it's working correctly and won't violate any of YouTube's policies or guidelines. Make sure to test each task you've automated to ensure it's working as intended. Step 5. Monitor the automation tool. Once you've implemented the automation tool, it's important to keep an eye on how it's performing and make any necessary adjustments along the way. It's important to make sure that the tool is always in compliance with YouTube's policies and guidelines, as overuse of automation can lead to account suspension or termination. Automating your YouTube activities can be a great way to streamline your workflow and save time as a content creator. However, it's important to use automation responsibly and ethically, and always follow YouTube's guidelines. By identifying the tasks you want to automate, finding the right automation tool, configuring it to your needs, testing it, and monitoring its performance, you can make the most of automation to help grow your channel and reach a larger audience. So, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this.